Tie rods are connected to your tires and play an important role in steering your car. They are located on each front wheel and connect the steering gear to the steering knuckle. Without tie rods, you would not be able to steer your car at all. When tie rod ends become heavily worn, they can create a popping or clunking noise due to the wear within the ball socket of the tie rod's outer end. As slack is taken up within this joint, audible noise is produced when turning the steering wheel. That is the popping, clunking, or clicking noise. Bad ball joints and tie rods can cause vibration during braking or turning. A bad tie rod can cause uneven tire wear. Loose tie rods can create an out of alignment condition which wears out front tires faster. Bad tie rods will make the steering wheel rock from left and right, even on a straight, flat road. If you turn your steering wheel and your car doesn't turn, or doesn't turn immediately, you probably have bad tie rods. In some cases, worn out steering or suspension parts can cause a situation known as death wobble, which is a rapid movement of the steering wheel from side to side. This can be triggered by hitting a bump or a pothole and can cause permanent suspension and steering damage. If you have rack and pinion type inner and outer tie rods, you can often replace them without affecting a vehicle's alignment with proper measurements. However, you will need to have an alignment after replacing the outer tie rods if you don't try to keep alignment specs in line as much as possible. Tie rods can last several years, and there are two types of tie rods: inner tie rods and outer tie rods. Based on your driving habits, you may never need to replace your tie rods. Driving with bad tie rods can cause the wheel to break free from the steering assembly, causing a loss of steering control. Replacing tie rods can cost anywhere from $100 to $400, depending on your vehicle, parts availability, and quality. When installing moved ball joints and tie rods, it is important to avoid over-tightening, as this can cause premature wear and damage to the steering knuckle. With the proper tools, moved ball joints can be removed without removing the control arm. Crossfires and Mazda 3 cars don't have moved ball joints, thus the entire outer tie rod must be replaced.